Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the beautiful area of Al Hail in Fujairah, UAE. This hidden gem is packed with culture, history, and stunning landscapes. So, let's explore 15 amazing facts that make Al Hail a must-visit destination. Are you ready? Let's go. Fact number 1. Al Hail is known for its breathtaking natural beauty. Nestled between the Hajar Mountains and the Arabian Gulf, the views here are simply spectacular. Whether you're hiking the mountains or relaxing by the beach, you'll be surrounded by stunning scenery. Fact number 2. The area has a rich history that dates back thousands of years. Al Hail is home to ancient archaeological sites, including remnants of early settlements that showcase the UAE's long-standing history and culture. Fact number 3. One of the most iconic landmarks here is Al Hail Fort. Built in the 19th century, this fort played a crucial role in protecting the region. Today, it stands as a testament to Fujairah's heritage and is a popular spot for visitors. Fact number 4. Al Hail is a melting pot of cultures. The community is diverse, with residents from various backgrounds. This diversity is celebrated through numerous cultural festivals held throughout the year, offering visitors a taste of local traditions. Fact number 5. Al Hail is just a short drive away from some of the UAE's best beaches. Whether you want to sunbathe, snorkel, or simply enjoy the sunset, you won't be disappointed. The warm waters of the Arabian Gulf are perfect for a day of fun. Fact number 6. Adventure seekers, rejoice! Al Hail offers plenty of outdoor activities. From hiking and mountain biking to off-roading and diving, there's something for every adventure enthusiast. Fact number 7. The local souks are a must-visit. Here, you can find traditional handicrafts, spices, and souvenirs. It's the perfect place to experience the local culture and pick up unique gifts. Fact number 8. Speaking of culture, the food in Al Hail is incredible. From traditional Emirati dishes to international cuisine, there's something for every palate. Don't miss out on trying local specialties like al-hariz and majbouz. Fact number 9. Al Hail is close to several natural reserves. These protected areas are home to diverse wildlife and stunning landscapes, perfect for nature lovers and photographers looking to capture the beauty of the region. Fact number 10. Al Hail hosts several local festivals throughout the year. From traditional music and dance to arts and crafts, these events highlight the region's rich culture and community spirit. Fact number 11. Al Hail is also focused on education. The area has several reputable schools and educational institutions that cater to both locals and expatriates, ensuring a quality education for children. Fact number 12. Ecotourism is on the rise in Al Hail. The community is committed to preserving its natural environment while promoting sustainable tourism practices. You can enjoy the beauty of the area while helping protect it. Fact number 13. The hospitality here is unmatched. The locals are known for their warm welcome, and you'll often be invited to share a cup of traditional Arabic coffee or tea. It's all about community and connection. Fact number 14. Sports are a big deal in Al Hail. The area has facilities for various sports, including football, cricket, and even water sports. It's a great place for anyone looking to stay active while enjoying the beautiful outdoors. And finally, fact number 15. Al Hail's strategic location makes it an ideal base for exploring Fujairah and the surrounding areas. With easy access to both the mountains and the coast, you can enjoy the best of both worlds. And there you have it, 15 amazing facts about Al Hail Fujairah. Whether you're planning a trip or just curious about this beautiful area, I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.